Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Google Pixel Fold. And to do this, we'll need to set up our Google Assistant with Hey Google Match, and you can check our previous video on how to do it. Now let's start with the first command, and it will be how to translate any language, and your phone will also speak out loudly this exact translation, which is very useful when you're traveling. Let's try it out. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. Okay, very nice. Next one will be to count calories, and you can count calories in any food, and also your Google Assistant will speak out loudly the exact amount of calories in the food you're about to eat. So let's try it out. Hey Google, how many calories in a burger? Okay. Moving on, we have a feature that helps you to find your phone when you lost it somewhere in your house or in the room. And we can ask a Google Assistant with the phrase, where are you? Or we can try to convince him to play any music or any song. Let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you? Okay. And next one will be to call anyone from your contacts list, and you need to ask Google to make a call to a specific person. Hey Google, call my mom. And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And the next one will be to send the messages, which is kind of similar to the previous one, but here you can also include what should be in that message. So do it like that. Hey Google, send a message to my mom, I ate the burger. And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.